Hello and welcome back to Engage Media Suite. Today we're going to do a tutorial on your first album. So we're going to create an album in the media library and see how Smart Storage automatically processes your content and organizes it for editing. So to create our first album, we can either click into Create Album here from our homepage, or we can click into the media library where we'll see options for Create Collection and Create Albums. We'll cover collections in a different tutorial, but for now we're going to create our first album. So I'm going to say Create Album, and we're going to create an album using a Holland America horseback riding shore excursion that I did in the Bahamas recently. So we're going to say this is Horses on Holland America, Half Moon Cay, and we'll say horseback riding shore excursion on Holland America's Half Moon Cay. For description and location, we'll just say Half Moon Cay in the Bahamas. So something to note here, description and locations are optional, but the more information you give the AI here, the better it'll be able to understand what it's seeing and help you categorize your content. Next is visibility. There are 4 options. First is private, which is just you, and if you're in a team, the team admins will be able to see it. Limited is shared with specific people on EMS that you want to share your content with so they can use it to create videos from your content as well. Next is unlisted, where anyone with the link can use it. So you'll have a link and you can share it, and anyone who has the link will be able to use it in EMS to create content. And public is anyone on EMS can use it, and it's discoverable, so people can find it and give you stars, which will eventually be used to give you additional EMS credits if you have popular public albums. So we're going to put it on unlisted, and I'm going to create my album created. I'm going to click into it. So to add content, you just say add files, and here you can drag and drop, or you can click into this to add the files you want to add to this album. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to just drag and drop some content into this album. Okay, and then you just click upload, and the uploads will begin. Okay, all of our uploads have completed. So when our uploads are complete, you can see their processing status here. And when they're all done processing, we can use them to create reels or do other things with them. Let's wait for them to finish processing. All right, so this file's done processing. Let's have a look at it. And we'll see what the AI Smart Storage has done. So this is a video of all of us riding horses out of the paddock. You can see the video information here, and below that is the AI analysis. This gives us a full description of everything that happens in the video, including how the cameras pan and sort of the colors, that sort of thing, which the director can then use. It gives us tags, and it gives us the locations that are featured in this video. Below that, you get full timestamps, and you get some key moments that are broken down in the video, along with scores for how good those moments will be when used in content. If we click back out, we'll see how the rest of our videos are doing. All right, now all of our uploads have finished, and we are ready to create some reels, which we will do in the next tutorial. One more thing I want to cover before we sign off. After a while, after your stuff is done uploading, we have automatic AI summarization that will process your album. So you see here it's created a summary of everything in the album that breaks it down for you, tells you what's in there, and it will automatically organize your content. So it'll organize it by content, location, and day. And the AI will pick the one that it thinks is most applicable. In this case, it's picked content. So you can see we've got this album that we just created broken down by resort activities and horseback riding and marina, right? Which for a bigger album, you'd have more categories. It automatically picks the categories that are best suited to your content, which is super cool, right? But if I wanted to, I could also say, you know what, break this down by location for me. And it'll say, these are in the resort, these are beach and ocean, this is trails and coastal paths. That's pretty cool. Or you can say, I want to sort it by day. And this is just one day. This was a 1-day shore excursion. But if you had a bigger trip, you could view it in the order that the trip happened. And for each day, you'd be able to see where you were and what you did during that day. And you'd be able to go in the order from the start of this trip. Day 1, I did this. Day 2, I did this. Day 3, I did this. Or you can sort it in reverse order so you can see what happened soonest first and then go down the other way in your days. But that's pretty cool. People have been loving this feature.